Let's draw stunning illusions, make a mosaic from dots, and turn circles into cartoons. Today, we'll share more secrets that will teach you how to draw even if you don't think you can. And to begin with, get an orange marker and draw a ginger cat. Draw a face with a black marker, but the cat's paws should hold something. Draw a line with bends where the cat's paws are. Line the sheet like a school notebook, leaving a place under the cat empty. Connect the segments of smooth lines with curved arcs. To make the picture look 3D, bend the lines towards yourself. Closer to the edge, change the direction of the lines to highlight the hind legs and tail. Use a simple pencil. Add shadows to emphasize the shape of the picture. This cute, playful kitty is ready. The drawing looks so 3D that it makes you want to touch it and make sure that there is really nothing under the paper. And now we will tell you how to decorate a notebook spread with an amazing optical illusion. Draw an equilateral triangle using a pen and a ruler. Draw a line that is parallel to one of the sides. Fill the space between the lines with black. Do the same with the other two sides. Move 1 millimeter away and draw a smaller triangle, and a couple more. Draw another triangle. Use another of the sides of the previous figure as the base. Continue to draw the triangles using the same side. Tint the places on which the shadow falls with pencil. The result is a volumetric triangle with a 3D effect. Thanks to visual hints and tricks, our brain expands and deepens the picture. Very impressive! Now, take a sheet of graph paper. Fold it diagonally to mark the places of the folds. Mark the center with a dot. Bend the corners to the middle. Turn it over. Mark the center with a pencil on the reverse side too. Next, bend the edges to the center. Fold the sheet along the lines. Now you can flip the pages of the square. Draw a circle with a compass. Go over the contour with a gel pen. Draw ears and a neck. Draw a smiling face. Flip through and draw another face. This little man looks more like Frankenstein's monster. Go through the pages and draw faces of people, monsters, whatever you want. And they will look funnier in color. What an interesting origami puzzle! Turn over the pages and combine things that don't go together. A baby face and the jaw of a green monster. A child's smile and the bloodthirsty eyes of Count Dracula. Or vice versa, the eyes of a child and the sharp fangs of a vampire. What will you portray in your origami? This time you need a sheet of cardboard and tape. Draw triangles on the cardboard. Attach strips of tape on the main lines. Take very light pastel paints. Fill the triangles with dots. Switch to another color without getting to the end of a row. Draw a few more burgundy rows and take yellow paint. Continue to color the sheet. Choose a different color for each triangle. Let the picture dry a little and gently take off the tape. Draw lines on paint-free strips with the help of a ruler and a black pen. Done! Such a beautiful picture should be kept under glass. A bright geometric mosaic will cheer you up and decorate your room. Imagine that these aren't just circles, but a whole bunch of canvases for creativity. Will you have enough imagination to turn them into something unusual with the help of an ordinary black pen? We will find out. Draw a wavy comb, an eye, and a beak. Add the body and the legs to the round head. Turn the second circle into another fighting rooster. In another circle, draw a stem and some flares. It's a juicy apple. It's time for the last circle in the row. What do you think it'll be? A bomb with a sparkling fuse. Add a ring to the next circle and turn it into Saturn. And this is how you can draw a cute little mouse. Now draw a doll face, a pineapple, a boy in a winter hat and scarf, and an evil vampire. Now a delicious coconut cocktail and a fragrant cup of coffee appear in the next circle. Next, draw a couple in love, a thoughtful cutie, and a serious detective. And this circle turned into a curled up kitten. And finally, draw a funny mime. Color the pictures with colored pencils. Look how simple and easy it is! This way you get a bunch of pictures from ordinary circles. Use these ideas to get inspired and turn on your imagination to the fullest. Prepare a small piece of paper for another masterpiece. Get some red paint on a makeup brush. Apply the paint on the paper with light blotting motions. Try not to press down the brush so that the drawing looks airy. Make several pieces with drawings of different shapes. Start with a drawing in the form of a circle. Paint a graceful flamingo neck and tail feathers with an art brush. Draw a black curved beak. Mark the eye with a dot. Draw thin parallel lines. These will be the legs. Time to transform the second picture. Frame the colorful speck with a thin brush. Each arc-shaped bend will be a flower petal. Draw the stamens with black paint. Complete the picture with a bright green stem. And make ice cream cones from another piece. Draw a yellow waffle cup. Decorate with brown cells and make strips of chocolate topping. You only have to use a bit of imagination, and plain blots turn into cute drawings. You can frame them and hang them on the wall. And for this idea, you will have to use a compass. Draw a circle in the middle of the sheet. Draw an arc. Draw another circle under the arc. Fill the space with arcs that go into full circles. Shade the upper arc with a simple pencil. Color every second strip. Slightly shade the strips you left out with a pencil. Draw circles around the figure using the compass. Divide the sheet with straight lines without affecting the funnel pattern. Draw the first line in the center, then move the ruler and draw a line at an angle. Move broken lines towards the center of the picture. This interesting artistic trick creates a feeling of paper layering into several levels due to the shadows and curved lines. You got an optical illusion of a staircase. What do you think? Where do these black steps lead? And now take a red marker and draw a circle. Inscribe a triangle of a regular shape in it. Place an inverted smaller triangle in it. Continue to draw triangles until the free space runs out. Draw smaller circles and also fill them with triangles. Only 2 figures will fit in the smallest one. Fill the free space with geometric flowers. Draw green leaves schematically. To make the picture look brighter and more spectacular, emphasize the outlines with a black pen. Roses in the house are always beautiful. Geometric flowers will fit into any modern interior and look just amazing. Start the next idea with drawing an outline with a black marker. Draw the head of a panda. Plan where you will draw the front paws, torso, and the second set of paws. Draw the eyes and a dimple on the chin. Switch from a thick marker to a pen. Add pupils, a nose, and a mouth. Place a bunch of bamboo in each of the paws. Paint over the eyes, ears, and nose with a black marker. Color the body and the paws. Fill in everything else with colored pencils. Add details and draw small hairs. Draw a puddle that our lovely panda managed to step into. Sign the drawing. Perhaps we all should learn how to enjoy life from the pandas. This isn't a bear, it's a bundle of cuteness and positivity. Do you want to hug a panda? Be honest. Let us know in the comments below this video. And for this idea, you'll need pencil sketches. Draw a bunny, a giraffe, and a bat. Color them. Paint the bunny with gray watercolor. Make the bow and the shorts pink. Paint the heart red. Add details and shade the drawing with dark gray. Paint the face and the highlights. Draw soft fur with the black pen and go over the outlines. Done! It's the giraffe's turn. The main color will be burnt orange. Paint the face and the hooves brown. Make a blue bow around his neck. Color in the horns and draw spots. Go over it with the black pen. Color the bat in the same way. Watercolor pictures with an outline look very bright. These little pictures are perfect for designing a notebook or creating greeting cards. Can you draw these too? Did you like our drawing life hacks? Write in the comments under the video which one you will use in your art. And don't forget to like this video, subscribe to the channel, and click on the bell to be the first to see the new selections of life hacks from Troom Select.